Hey ladies, welcome back. This is Dr. Christiana Nice from Rich Girl Code, and today's episode is going to be fire because we're talking about something that's been trending everywhere, OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you haven't heard about it, well, you're about to be in the know. It's that tool that everyone's raving about that's basically like having your own digital assistant ready to spill all the answers and generate content like it's your new business bestie. But hold up, while everyone's out here hyping up AI and what it might look like in 10 years, we're not about that. I'm here to talk to you about how we can boss up starting to use AI today. So grab your pen because I've got 7 business ideas that fit perfectly into the wealthy girl code. And I'm going to show you how to make AI work for you right now. And guess what? I'm pulling examples straight from our very own Rich Girl Code empire. So you know we're keeping it all in the family. Now, number 1, the wealthy content queen. Copywriting business. First up is copywriting, aka the words that sell. We've all seen those websites or social media ads with copy that just makes you want to click that buy now button, right? Well, that could be you. With ChatGPT, you can start cranking out killer sales copies in minutes. No more staring at a blank screen. And you don't need to build a whole new platform to offer these services, okay? You can use funnelfrenzy.co. Funnelfrenzy.co. All right, and it's free for 14 days, no credit card needed. Now, you can use it to create full-on branding and copy packages for businesses that need that magic touch. All right, and trust me, copywriting is where the money really is at, especially when you're helping others make more sales. So if you can help businesses bring in the coins, you're also securing the bag. Remember, that's how you make money, is by helping other people. Next up is landing pages, okay? Web design made simple with funnelfrenzy.co. Now, you know how we always say first impressions matter? Well, for any online business, that first impression is the landing page, all right? And thanks to our very own funnelfrenzy.co, you don't have to be a web design pro to create high converting landing pages. The templates are already designed with women entrepreneurs in mind. So whether you're helping an e-commerce queen or coach who's launching a new course, you can whip up a gorgeous landing page in no time. And then you're helping other women win, and that's really what it's all about, and that is the Rich Girl and Wealthy Girl Code, all right? So you can start making money today by creating pre-done for you landing pages on funnelfrenzy.co and charging a convenience fee or a conversion fee to your clients, our customers, all right? Next, Wealthy Girl SEO Guru, SEO writing and optimization. Now, SEO, search engine optimization, is like gold for any business that wants to be found online. If you didn't know, now you know. And guess what? ChatGPT can help you generate tons of SEO-rich content in a snap. Think blog posts, web copy, whatever, you name it, it can do it, all right? And when you pair that with the skills you can learn through our academy or through our books and literature, you can offer SEO services that help businesses boost their visibility. And that's really what it's all about. Back to helping other people, all right? This is how you become a secret weapon for other entrepreneurs, helping them rank higher on Google and get that traffic coming in, all right? Next, AI-powered branding boss, custom AI designs and graphics. So let's talk about branding because, you know, it's everything. And thanks to AI, you can offer custom design services without having to be a pro designer. You can use Canva, because that is actually AI. You know, a lot of people don't look at it like that, but Canva is actually AI, and you can create eye-catching logos, social media graphics, and even product packaging. Okay, so You can offer full branding packages that include everything from social media kits to custom visuals that make businesses pop. And this is for my creative queens who are out there who want to help other women level up their brand without spending hours in Photoshop. Now, I'm not knocking Photoshop. I grew up on Photoshop, and I still use it from time to time because there are elements in Photoshop that are not in Canva that I still need to use. But for the most part, about 90% of my work comes out of Canva. Okay, so take it how you want, but it definitely can make you those coins. Next up, Wealthy Girl Leads Generator. So a lead generation service that you can provide. All right. So leads are the lifeline, of any business. And ChatGPT can help you gather targeted contacts in a matter of minutes. All right. So think about offering a lead generation service where you curate email lists or prospect profiles. All right. And when you tap into our network, we actually, you have access to a platform that helps you reach businesses looking for service. All right. So if you're part of our network, we have that connection for you. But trust me, businesses will pay you for quality leads because they're looking for them. A lot of businesses don't know where to find their customers, and you can be their go-to girl, for delivering them. So if you have a network or an email list, contact list of people that fit a certain niche and demographic, already know that businesses are looking for those people. So you can create a business out of connecting that business to those people. And you can charge a convenience fee for that. All right. So keep that in mind. Don't just keep, those lists piling up or just, sitting to the side. It's a gold mine in your contact list or your lead list or whatever you want to call it. Next, the Wealthy Girl AI Content Studio, automated video, and content creation. Now, video is queen when it comes to online content these days. We know that. And guess what? You don't need to be a video editor to offer this service. Now, with AI-powered tools, you can create professional video content for businesses in no time. And of course, you can use, our tools and services as well. But whether it's social media clips, video intros, or animation, businesses are always looking for fresh content. All right. I mean, that's the world we live in now. And content can be monetized. That's why it's really important that if you can deliver, this content to small businesses, you'll make a lot of money. Because as a business owner myself, I cannot stand having to create my own content, having to edit, put it together. Even though I have the tools and resources and knowledge to do it, I personally just don't want to. So I'm always looking for editors that can jump right in and do what I need to have done, and just give it back to me in a timely manner so that I can just keep things moving and grooving. And I'm not the only one. There's millions of other business owners out there that's looking for the same thing. So it's your job now to get out there and find them and get them and, convert them into your customers and clients. And you can do this with the help of AI. All right. Now, next, Wealthy Girl Academy. AI-powered online course creation has never been easier. If you've always wanted to create your own course, literally you can create a course in less than 5 minutes. I've done it, all right? You still want to, and this is another thing I want to put out there, you still want to add your human touch. You still want to add your personal touch, all right, to anything and everything you do with AI. I know that AI is such a wonderful tool, but at the end of the day, you do still need and want to add your element to it. All right. Just remember, it's a tool. It's not everything, end all, everything. It's not, this is what it is and that's it. No, it still needs your personal touch. There's nothing like your personal touch. All right. So back to AI-powered online course creation. We know you've got the skills, the knowledge, and the experience. Now it's time to package that all up into an online course. And ChatGPT can help you outline and create the framework for your curriculum faster than ever, all right? Because it was times where I would sit for hours trying to figure out how to do this, how to do that, what's next, what to connect to this, what to connect to that. And what better place to launch your course, now more than ever, you know what I'm saying? You can do it yourself. You can literally go to funnelfrenzy.co, grab one of the free templates and launch a course on that platform for free. No credit card needed. And you can use ChatGPT to lay out your whole program in your whole entire course. And if you got the expertise, like I said, we have the platform and it's easy for you to do. You don't have to pay that $99 or however much it is for those other platforms. I'm not going to say which ones, but it can be really expensive out there, guys, trying to find a platform to actually host your courses on. So I strongly suggest funnelfrenzy.co is to head over there, use those templates that are already done for you. Use ChatGPT to create your course and get the going. Link it up to a PayPal account and you're ready to go. You can literally do this today in less than an hour, all right? And then you can start earning passive income streams. So I just want you to know that all of these 7 elements, all of these 7 business ideas you can do using ChatGPT, using AI, and still having your personal elements in it, okay? These are 7 ways to level up and make AI your business bestie, all while staying true to your rich girl code, okay? And your now wealthy girl code, because wealthy girl code has been recently released. So we went from rich to wealthy, and we are sharing all of the resources. It is now on Amazon, so make sure you go run out and go get that. So whether you're diving into copywriting, SEO optimization, branding, video content, the tools are right in front of you, okay? And let's be real. There's no better time to use them than now. Like, this is like the .com era. You know what I'm saying? If you were too young for that, okay, now is your time. If you didn't understand that or you missed out on that opportunity, now is your time. Don't let this time pass you by. Don't let AI just be something that's just a topic, a subject. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, let it be part of your life. Let it be part of your program. Get out there and secure that bag. Now is the easiest time to become a millionaire, a billionaire. You may think, oh, no, that's not me. Yes, it's you. All right. You have something to offer the world. Never think that you don't have something to offer the world. All right. You do. And with using AI, you can literally bring your idea to life now. All right. Without having a large team, without spending googogs of money, you can literally do it your own self. So jump on ChatGPT today. It's free. They have a free version and they do have a paid version. I use the paid version because there's so many elements within it that I need to run my businesses. But start with the free service first. Get to know it. Learn your prompts. We'll get into prompting a little later on in Rich Girl Code Academy. But for right now, get on there. Start playing around with it. Start just feeding it and learning it. And it can learn you. It's a robot. At the end of the day. So let's get into technology, queens, because that's where the money is at. We can help not just ourselves, we can help other people. And that's really what it's all about. Until next time, this is Dr. Christiane Anise from Rich Girl Code. Bye.
Lemon drops and laptops, pretty girl problems, it's life. Rich off content, money well spent, invested, now I'm set for life.